Hi there guys, this is Simon and I would like to show you how a B2B onboarding process can be shortened from days to minutes. What you can see here is an online application form for a business bank account with a German digital bank. And as you can see, you need to provide plenty of information. And this is just page 1. There's 3 of these pages. This is a lengthy process and is prone to error. And it will take this bank another 48 hours at least to take this information, verify it for due diligence, and then maybe open an account. Now let's see what happens when we step in. That's right, ladies and gents, we will need 2 data points. Give us the name of the company or the registration number, and we will connect in real time with our database and pull all the necessary information and fill it out in the background, so that the account can be opened instantly. This is of course great for 3 main reasons. This means lower risk for the bank because the data has been verified against a reliable data source. It also means lower cost for the bank because no one has to do that work manually. And thirdly, because the process is so instant and the account can be opened right away, it means that less people fall out of that process, which means that it directly translates into your sales. Is this of interest? If so, please do let me know. Get in touch.